Hi, this is Angie from VRAcademi. Have you wondered how you can put objects one on top of the other or one next to the other and then they are symmetrical? Let's see how we do it. So I will grab a cylinder and maybe a sphere and maybe a cone as well. And imagine that I want to make a special object that will have the cone on top of it and the sphere on the other side. So, but I want them to be symmetrical. So what I can do is I can select all of them, and then when I select them, I see here that I have three shapes, and now I can use this tool which is called Align tool. So what Align tool does, is that it aligns them in one dimension. It can align them in the X, Y or Z dimensions. So if I click it, I see these handles over here and it helps me align it in different dimensions. Actually, when I put my mouse on top of a handle, I can see exactly how these are going to be aligned. Okay, so if I want to align all of them in the middle, I will click this and this so that they are aligned exactly in the middle. Now I can move my object over here and maybe my sphere over there and create the object that I like. Do you find it cool? There is an even more cool feature in the Align tool. So imagine that you have this box and you have this roof and you want to put the roof on top of your box, but you don't want the box to be moved. So if you select these two and try to align them, you will see that both roof and box are moved in order to be put together. And you don't want to do this. You want to, for a particular reason, you want the box to stay at its own place. So how can you do this? This is done by this. I select both items. I see that I have selected both shapes. I use the Align tool, and now before aligning my objects, I click on the red box. So now I can align them without my box moving. So see, now only the roof is moving and they are perfectly aligned together. So I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.